It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Twisted Allure. I'm tardy to the party yet again. There is this super cool, super interesting brand called Twisted Allure that I was just introduced to. And once I read about the concept and saw some of the products online and people in the fragrance groups have been posting, I definitely wanted to give them a try. They have a lot of delicious gourmand concoctions, and you know Margarita loves the gourmands, and I had to try some things. Now, I must start off by saying I am a person who is all about names and titles. I feel that names and words have power. So I had to be very, very selective in the scent that I chose to try. A lot of the names have very morbid titles. You can feel free to check out their site to see for yourself how I don't want to say disturbing, but they could be to some people depending on your tolerance level. But yeah, just very morbid and a little grotesque sometimes, some of the names. However, the scents are everything but. The package that I bought was a 4-piece set called Dead Velvet Cake. So the first item is this hand soap. So Dead Velvet Cake, I was able to go with this name because it wasn't saying that a person or a living thing was dead. So velvet cake, whatever. But I like red velvet cake. Red velvet cupcakes are absolutely delicious, and so I figured I'd give this a try. The hand soap is so thick and rich, and just look at the texture. I really hope that my camera's picking this up. The presentation is very nice. You get a decent amount in here, and it smells really good. I have to say that these products do smell very, very close to the items that they are likened to. My favorite of all 4 items, and I'll show you all 4 though, is this. The lotion. The body lotion. Now I got the cream too. Actually, it's a butter. But I have to say, I was expecting to like the butter more than the lotion, but I like the lotion more. The lotion actually has a better, thicker, richer, more emollient texture than the body cream. I really wish that the cream is really, well, it's a butter. It's more of a cream. Texture wise, it's very, very watery, water based. It dissolves instantly, and it also doesn't hold scent once it hits the skin. Once it hits the skin, 5 minutes, that scent is gone. So I didn't quite care for the body butter for that reason, because of how paper thin it was, and also because it didn't really have much scent projection. But this lotion was wonderful. The lotion is thick. Just want to show you. Look at that. It's stuck to the, like, it's not stuck, but it doesn't even drip like this. This is a body butter, actually. This is more like a heavy cream. If you know the texture, like at Bath and Body Works, for example, the heavy creams that they have, the body creams. This is a wonderful product, and the smell is really good. I layered this. I forget what I layered this with, but I smell good though. I didn't remember. But it was wonderful. My skin was very well hydrated. So this product right here, the lotion, I loved. And the 4th item in the set I got is the whipped soap. I like this as well. I really like the packaging. I like that I did not have to screw a top off in the shower. All I had to do was flip a lid. You see, I dug a chunk out, but a little bit goes a long way. I actually, if you can see this hole, and this is only after 1 use, this was too much soap for me. This will last you a while, and this is air light. This is so light, like feather light. This only feels like it's a couple of ounces. I like this a lot. It smells good. It lathered nicely, but not too, it's kind of a foamy soap. It smells nice. It smells a little bit Play-Doh-y, but not bad. Like, you don't get the saltiness of it. But then again, it's just the soap. But when you layer this with that lotion, this is wonderful. So my 2 favorite pieces were this and this. The other 2, well, hand soap is hand soap, so it's cool. You know, it'll get used. The body cream, not a fan of. I'm going to have to layer that with some more items, but I would not repurchase the body cream. I keep calling it cream, the butter. It's more, like I said, it's more like a standard lotion, and it's very thin even for a lotion. Think of like a it's lighter in texture and spreadability than even most standard lotions. It's very thin, but I like this. I like this, and I love the concept of the brand. I would be happy to try more things. They have some scrubs. They have these split scrubs I'm really interested in because there's two flavors, 2 scents, whatever. They're gourmand, most of them. So yeah, flavors in the split scrub. So you get a chance to try 2 in 1. So I do want to try that. They have a couple of other things I'm interested in trying, but I wanted to do an initial try first to see if it was worth exploring further. But that said, yes, I think that Twisted Allure is, especially if you like cool gourmand concoctions that are made with really high quality ingredients. I love supporting small business, and this is a small business, a woman-owned business, and it's just creative, and I'm all for creativity and innovation, and the owner of this company is definitely creative and innovative and has a wonderful concept. That said, let me know in the comments, have you tried Twisted Allure? Are you also tardy to the party like I am? Let me know in the comments any small businesses that you recommend that I try products from, especially if they have some nicely scented items. I am always looking for the new and the next. And if you'd like to sample my fragrance collection, you can check that out on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.